All right, I'm going to show you how to find any app on your Android phone. The best way usually is right from your home screen. Swipe up to get to your app drawer, and most phones will have a search bar right there. It might be up top or on the bottom, but it's always there. Tap it, search for the specific app by typing just the few first letters of the app, and it'll show up. Of course, you can also just manually scroll through your app drawer, but if you can't find something by just looking at your apps, that search function is really your best option. Another easy way is through Settings. Go to Settings, then scroll down to Apps, and on some phones, you'll need to tap See All Apps to get the full list. On my Samsung, it already shows the full list here. And here I can scroll a list of every app installed on my phone, including some system apps that aren't displayed in the app drawer or home screen. You can scroll through the list, or again, type an app name into the search to jump right to it. Although, some Android phones don't have a search feature in this menu, depends on your phone model. If you tap into an app, it opens the app settings page, but there's also a little Open button at the bottom you can tap if you'd like to launch that app directly from here. Another thing worth checking, hidden apps. If there's an app that isn't showing up even with those first two methods, go to your app drawer, tap those three dots, and go to Settings. This is specific to Samsung and some third-party launchers, but you can actually hide apps from your home screen and app drawer entirely. So, in this home screen settings menu, I'll scroll down to Hide Apps on Home and Apps screen. If I go into this, it'll show me any apps currently set to hidden. I can tap to unhide them, and after that, they'll show back up in my app drawer. And lastly, if nothing else works, you can always go to the Play Store and use the search there. Type in the name of the app you're looking for, and we'll be able to verify whether it's installed on your phone or if it's actually missing. If you already have an app downloaded, it'll show an Open button next to it, or it could say Update if the app is installed, but there's a pending update. If the app is not installed on your phone, you'll see a blue Install button instead, and you can go ahead and tap that button, which will then download and install the app on your phone, and you'll be able to find it by using one of those methods I showed earlier. And that is how you find any app on your Android phone. Go ahead and click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.